Okay, let's break down what might be the biggest technology shift we've seen in years. So many people are just chatting with AI. The real game is making it your employee. This is way bigger than just chatbots. We're talking AI agents doing whole projects on their own.
So what does that mean? Agentic AI? Let's look at the 3 levels of using AI.
Most of us, we're stuck at level 1. The huge leap, the real magic, is at level 3.
Look at the difference. It's not about asking questions anymore, it's about getting the whole job done.
This means you have to totally change your thinking. You're not the one doing the work anymore. It's a whole new way of prompting. You just give the end goal. The AI handles the how. And if you want great results, not just generic junk, these 3 steps are absolutely key. And this isn't just theory. IBM managers are already doing tasks 75% faster this way. Okay, so how do you actually do this? Well, it starts with picking the right tool. Depending on what you do, there's a tool for you. The trick is to just pick one and dive in. All right, let's see what this looks like in the real world with an actual task. Check out this prompt. It asks the agent to research competitors and build a whole website. And boom, in under 10 minutes, the AI did all of this on its own, no handholding needed. But it didn't stop there. It actually managed the feedback loop, updating the site from team comments. And this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. It's basically an AI gold rush. So the AI is the expert. The real question is, what are you going to direct it to do?